Hi, this is Dan and welcome to HabitMade. Video, I'm gonna teach you how to create this macrame dream catcher, which can be a perfect gift this holiday season. To start this macrame project, we have Macrame Starter Kit available for purchase on our social media accounts. I'm gonna start by attaching this wooden ring on our clothing rack. Then attach 8 cords with 10 feet length each and make a lark's head knot. Then we're gonna make 4 square knots. To make a square knot, we have to work in groupings of 4, make a 4 sign, and then an inverted 4 again, put it through the loop, pull it tight. So let me just separate the groupings. Then we'll proceed with the next square knot. Then we're gonna work in between and make 3 square knots. Then 2 square knots. Then down to our last square knot. Then we'll proceed in making double half hitch knot. If you're new in my channel, please take time to watch 3 basic knots you need to learn to have a detailed guide on how to create double half hitch knot. Then we'll just repeat the same process. We have to work with 8 cords on both sides. Then for the last cord on this side, I'm just gonna make half hitch. So basically just 1 knot.
Then let's do the same thing onto the other side. Then we'll continue making double half hitch knot to make a diamond pattern. So we have to work first on the upper part of the diamond. Then we'll proceed on the other side. But then again, make sure that you are working with 8 cords on each side. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8 here, and also we have 8 cords on the right side. And just continue making double half hitch. Make sure that the last double half hitch on the right side will kind of continue on this side. Then separate each side. So again, it has to have 8 cords on each. Then we're gonna make a weave pattern. Okay, so basically you just have to alternate each cord together. So up, down, up, down. Then we'll proceed in making double half hitch for the lower part of the diamond. Then I'm just lightly tying this so you won't get confused on the cords you have to work on. Then continue making double half hitch. Then we're gonna attach each cord on the bottom part of our wooden ring. So wrap it around and then put this over and through, then pull it tight. Then let's repeat the same thing onto the other side. Okay, so wrap this around. Okay, wrap this around. And then put it over again and pull it through. Then pull it tight. Then let's repeat the process on each cord. As you can see, we're just leaving spaces in between because we're gonna put additional cords later. You could also start attaching the cords from the middle. Then let's make reverse lark's head knot in between spaces. It under the wood and over. Then get your middle cords and pull it tight. Once done, we have to find the 4 middle cords because we're gonna make square knots. But don't be limited in this tutorial. Feel free to explore your own design or pattern. You may experiment on your desired length, but for this tutorial, I'm gonna create 13 inches long. Then take down 2 cords from each side, and then another 2, because we're gonna make alternating half hitch. Make a U, then pull it tight, and let's do the same thing. Make a letter U, and then pull it tight, then do the same thing again. Repeat the process until we reach our desired length. Let's just leave it for a while and we'll get back to this because we're gonna make wrapping knot on this side. Then we'll take down 4 cords. So you have 4 cords here, and take down another 4 cords because we're gonna do this spiral knot. To make a spiral knot, we just have to do the same process as what we're doing when making square knot. We just have to repeat making number 4 until we create this spiral effect. Since I want to make this longer and I'm running out of cords, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna attach additional cord and make the same process as what we're doing when making square knot. So it's kind of making a number 4 and then an inverted 4. And just continue the same process. Then I'm gonna make gathering knot or wrapping knot. So just take an extra cord, wrap it around 3 times, or it actually depends on you. But for me, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna wrap it 3 times, put it through the loop and pull it up. Then remove the excess cord. For this too, I want to secure it by making a barrel knot. So wrap this around 3 times and pull it tight. So let's do the same thing here. Wrap it around 3 times and pull it tight. Then let's just trim the ends and we're done.
If you find this video helpful, please share it with me by using the hashtag HabitMade and tagging us on your social media accounts. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next video.